I don't remember how I got in the water.
Wouldn't be that much swim.
Do you remember how you got in the water?
Putin was in engine room. Big fire. I'll leave.
Hello out there! It is me, Kim Jong-un! Hiya, my arms are sore. You take me to United Nations. I want political asylum.
He is not part of ship's crew. I have not seen him before.
I was stowaway, going to America. See Barack Obama. Make him surrender to me.
Hand us the boards. We can use them.
No. Put me in first, then I give you boards. I not hand you them. You take boards and you weave me. Me first, then wood. You round eye.
He not need boards to float. You look like a walrus. Got big blubber.
Don't listen to him. He big stinky giant man. I'm not very buoyant. I'm a good floater. I smack you like tiger. Hurry up, my finger all pruny. Did you see that?
You pick up boards now.
You reach board. I'm not reaching shit.
So Kim, what's it like in your country?
My country? Oh, wait. I even have dial-up internet. That's a great invention that your man outgo me.
I need pillow. You give me wife ring?
It's Putin's life ring. Save Putin's life. You no touch.
Hey, big fella. You sure are strong. Smelling. Haha, you stinky. Hey, look at that. Who over there? Looks like thousands of fruit drinks. They're like ocean spray. Cranberry, my favorite. All mine. I drink whole bunch.
Don't drink. That is soap, not juice.
This fun. Blowing bubbles. Oh, good times.
Now time for you to row.
You're too heavy. You row, big Russian bastard.
We can dump the bubbles out and use the bottle to hold the rainwater.
Okay, it's enough with bubbles. Stop now.
I got a rumble in my tumble.
Did you drink all of those?
I don't care. I'm thirsty.
Yellow man turning green.
I'm going both chunks. What that? I don't remember eating that.
I hate to say I told you so, but
For a man in pajama, you make me put and laugh. Ho 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 ho.
Okay, smelly Russian dog, I tell you funny story. One time, man not follow my instructions. I bring him back to my palace, and I have him shot. It's funny, cause he dead.
Okay, that is straw which breaks back of camel.
Why did you do that?
I'm personal friends with Dennis Rodman. Save me now or I kill you. Dennis Rodman is my BFF.
Haha, that tickle. I take you home with me. Make sushi.
When I get home, I send Big Miss Oyoha.
Look like Big Shark like Chinese food.
he was actually Korean. He was kind of a dick, wasn't he?
Oh jeez, don't get me started.